What's up, you guys? If you're new to the channel, I feel bad for you. If you're a returning subscriber, you've already been numbed into submission, and that's all good. If you're new, hit the bell, subscribe. If you like that, like button, help me out with the algorithm. We need it, give us some momentum. Let's get into it. So we got a bullish Tron signal, 900 milli NFTs breaking a big time, setting a big time record in August. CryptoPunks exploding, and I'm going to get into what this means for BitTorrent, why I say it's a bull signal for BitTorrent and Tron. But as usual, we'll do a hype around through the news. Let's check out coin prices and let's see what's happening in the wide world of cryptocurrency. Now, we got a Bitcoin at sitting at 47,000 bucks, little hair up over. We got $3,100 on Ethereum. We got a Cardano at 261. We've got Binance Coin pressing for that 500, but there's a bit of a wall there, so it's sitting tight just under. We got Doge at 2747. Oop, just popped up a little greener. We got Polkadot doing its dance at 2475. And we got, hey guys, you ever think of it this way? You know, NFTs in a sense are the modern day cartoon that's come to life. It's kind of like many years ago when all these things didn't exist. What did people have? Well, we grow up with, humor me here, cartoons. We grow up with that visual comedic entertaining cartoon. As adults, it's deeply embedded into our psyche, into our subconscious. That's why a lot of the time things are cartooned, because they appeal to our inner child. Even though we don't look at it that way, we've been conditioned, we've been brainwashed, we have been patternized, we have been set on a road that basically makes us be attracted to those all things cartoony, as long as they have some type of intellectual appeal to them that we can relate to as far as current events go, as far as new media goes, new streaming, new events that somehow tie into entertainment. Thus, NFTs are going to be something that is going to take the world by storm, and because of this, there are going to be a lot of changes in the way that kids are entertained and in the way adults perceive getting entertainment for their children. One of the most lucrative industries in the whole world is the child market. Young kids, middle-aged, older kids, in other words, babies, toddlers, adolescents, teenagers, then young adults. NFT is positioned to do this, captivate this market very well, along with the cross-branding that's going to occur and the mainstreaming that is just about to literally explode. You have Visa jumping in, you have Budweiser buying fan art. Even greedy Visa is seeing the light through their greed. They're seeing the potential. Mike Tyson's ear-biting NFT. It's coming. It's here. There's a boom. You are part of the gold rush. All right, so am I. All of us. Let's go to, what do we got? Polygon at $1.41. We got Avalanche doing a dance at 44.08. We got VeChain, we got Filecoin. I'm going to fly through the news soon. I'm going to get into what I was talking about the Tron and BitTorrent NFTs in a minute and why the record matters to them. So we got Tron at 8 cents. We got Monero at 300 bucks. And let's see what we got with BTT. When I looked this morning at 5 in the morning, it was just under 4 cents. Here we are. Not 4 cents, but half of a 0.0039. I'd love to see it at 4 cents. It's not going to happen today, but it will happen, and it'll go much higher than that too. So let's start with record 900 milli month for NFT sales as CryptoPunks go stratospheric. We got BTC price rejected at 50K. We got Adables taking a breather. Cointelegraph's The Market Report is now live. there's a little bit of controversy with ADA. Microsoft wins US patent for ledger independent token service. Now, Microsoft is very, very sly, even with Billy G not sitting there and sleeping there and doing whatever Lord knows he used to do there 24/7, 365. They know how to slither into things that, well, quite frankly, become very, very sticky. And I think Bill's specialty, one of the reasons why he grew Microsoft, besides buying a program for $50,000 that was worth zillions, is that he knows how to be a slinky. It's a wonderful toy for a girl and a boy. All us surfers were girls and boys. And Microsoft is trying to make it so that they can be in a position where they can get their greedy little tentacles into blockchain in a way where they marry it with your Windows operating system that you are held hostage to, and some of you, because you are used to it, and that's okay, are forced to use these god-awful patches to fight the viruses that try to take over your machines over and over and over again. Anyway, so they're trying to get into the cryptosphere and make some billies with some control. Microsoft wins US patent for ledger independent token service. Microsoft's new device is designed to allow developers to write code for managing tokens in a manner that is blockchain agnostic. I may get into this later. You'll check it out. I reveal my sources as always. Everything's coming from Cointelegraph here, as you can see. Check out this article. It's interesting. We're going to get to Charles and Hoskinson and ADA in a minute and what I was talking about. Analysts say Bitcoin price pullback and profit taking at 50K was expected. Traders say a correction to lower support levels and standard profit taking was expected after Bitcoin's ascension to 50,000. The euphoria seen across the cryptocurrency ecosystem over the past couple of weeks was tampered down on August 26th as an early morning attempt by bulls to push the price of Bitcoin to 50,000 was soundly rejected. Data from Cointelegraph Markets and Pro Trading shows that the following rejection, the price of Bitcoin slid to a low of 46,457 before the bulls managed to regroup and put a halt to the downturn. I don't think we're seeing anything persistently higher than 45,000. I think we're going to be range bound, as I've been saying before the crash, 30 to 45, with the 45 becoming the floor till the end of 2021. Here's what analysts are saying about Thursday's price action for Bitcoin and a few things they are watching for as the digital asset is caught between a tug of war between bulls and bears. BTC price could trend south for a while. There you go. No, I didn't read the article of that in advance. I only read it with you now. Charles Hoskinson responds to criticism over Cardano's confirmed partnership. So this is an interesting one, and it's ruffling a lot of feathers. The article's decently done, and basically it explains that Cardano needs some regulation and some software regulation to get to the next level so they don't have, and Charles is very smart. Basically, he's trying to avoid snafus and problems that will break Cardano down in price action and momentum by getting involved here, and it's having a bit of the opposite effect in the beginning. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has responded to criticism over the Cardano Foundation's partnership with Confirm, saying it was necessary for the adoption of ADA. The Cardano Foundation announced its partnership with the blockchain analytics provider on August 24th, that's 3 days ago, which will see Confirm's analytics being utilized to ensure compliance with frameworks such as the 6th Anti-Money Laundering Directive and Financial Action Task Force's guidelines. You don't want to not conform with the anti-money laundering. Whether you want to believe this or not, it is important with certain things to conform for the growth and good of blockchain. Bitcoin traders brace for Fed options expiry as BTC price clings to 47K. I'm not sure why there's a comma there. I may have missed something, but I'll carry on. This is not a grammar class. Turkish prosecutors investigate alleged 119 milli Dogecoin mining scam. What's the day without a good scam? What is it? It's just not a day. It's got to be a crypto scam. We got Jim Cramer saying Coinbase stock is cheap, cheap, cheap. Put 5% of your portfolio in crypto. We got Major Hotel in Swiss Alps. More mainstreaming now allows crypto payments. And we got forget Lambos. NFTs are the new crypto status symbol. And if that happens, Tron and Bittorrent with the file sharing network of BTT, once it's got some more work done, gets more sticky, more entertaining, more fun, they're going up big time. Hope this finds you healthy. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.